The Town of Nags Head is working towards conducting its first beach nourishment maintenance project. Plans call for nearly 4 million cubic yards of sand to be placed on 10 miles of beach during the summer of 2019. Nags Head's ocean front from the Bonnet Street public beach access near milepost 11, south to the town line with the National Park Service near milepost 21, will be impacted over the 4 to 5 month long project. Construction is slated to begin in the spring of 2019. Dune stabilization measures such as sprigging and fencing will also be included in the project.
Nags Head had hoped to be able to do a project in 2018, our first renourishment project. We were in a position to be able to nourish. We had the permits in place, we had the bids sent out and opened in time. However, the cost for 2018 was considerably higher than it was for 2019, and because of that, we weren't able to generate the funds to do a 2018 project. We were for a 2019. Our hope had been that we could nourish in 18 because we do have some sections of the beach that are at a greater risk than other sections of the beach. I think we'll be fine going into the summer. There's still considerable amount of sand both on the beach and out in the shallow water to protect the beach. But we're anxious to get to 2019 and get through this year so we can renourish.
For more information on beach nourishment projects in Dare County, visit www.morebeachtolove.com.